up, everybody? So we are in the middle of nowhere, as you guys see, but not really. This is what Don Gabi calls is graffiti rock. We are out here in the mountains of Patterson, and we're actually doing some footage for you guys. So usually we do a lot of vlogs and whatnot, or at least we try to, you know, show what stuff we got going on in our cars. But we thought we switched it up and we got some free time. And since I'm out here in Patterson, I got my camera equipment, and Don Gabi was cool enough to come out of his way, since he does work later on today, and get this shoot going. We're gonna try to get some cinematic stuff going for you guys, as it's another passion that I have. I like working with cameras. I don't know how, but I'm trying to learn in order to get better quality stuff for you guys. And yeah, we're gonna keep doing it. It is hot as hell out here. We are sweating, as you guys can see. Don Gabi is doing a couple of runs while we get footage. There he is. Yeah, I think he's getting carried away because I already told him the shot was good, and this is like his second, third time going around this pass. But I don't blame him. I would have done the same thing. So yeah, this video is just really quick. I'll try to get some input from Don Gabi. I'll give you guys some behind the scenes of what we're doing right now. I am fucking rock climbing. Look at this. I got up to that hill up there to get a nice shot. I almost fell. I am wearing Vans, so I don't think I'm in the proper attire. I didn't know what I was getting myself into, but for the sake of getting some cool shots, we got the drone, we got the camera, we got GoPro. Yeah, not the best quality equipment, but we're gonna make the best for what we got in order to get something good for you guys. So we got Don Gabi coming up right now real quick. I hope you guys like the video, so you know, give us a thumbs up, share, and all that good stuff. Let me get Don Gabi's opinion on it, because he's about to stop. Yo. Don Gabi, it's the little behind the scenes for the video.
Little behind the scenes? What do you mean?
I was like telling the people what we're doing today.
Just taking a few pictures and a couple shots from the car, and just creating content for you guys, and I hope you guys enjoy it.
Cool.